So coming to the exit strategy, the 4 key factors is number 1, you're buying into 2022 price tag. Number 2, low quantum, high upside potential. Number 3, you're benchmarking against previous case study of integrated versus pure residential projects. Last but not least, optimal exit timing. So number 1, if you are lucky enough to get a good Q number, you most likely be buying into the year 2022 price tag because Lentor Model and Lentor Hills were launched in the year 2022 and 2023 respectively. Back then, they were already transacting at a price of between $2,001 to $2,200 per square foot, and if you add on the harmonization of 8%, we are talking about an average pricing of between 22 to 23 PSF in the year 2022. So if today you are able to buy into Springleaf at the above guide price, right, you are essentially buying, if not below the 2022 pricing. Number 2, low quantum, high upside potential. Although the quantum is low and the upside potential looks high, you're not just buying cheap, right? You're actually buying a premium product right on top of the MRT station and also nature reserve at your doorstep. Basically, you do not have a lot of competitors. The closest I can think of will be like Bukit Timah area or Botanical Gardens area, both trading above the $3,000 per square foot range already. Number 3, there's actually a mixed development that is closing its land tender very soon just beside us, and in this part I will talk about how pure residential projects often outperform mixed development, especially when they are launched before the integrated developments just next door. Take for example Treasure Trove versus Watertown and Park Colonia versus Woodley Residences as example. In both cases, the pure residential project was launched earlier, just by a couple of months, and despite not being integrated with mall or MRT, right, both Treasure Trove and Park Colonia saw margins up to 50% higher compared to the mixed-use development just beside. This shows that early entry into the well-located pure residential launch before the mixed development next door can offer a significant first-mover advantage. Last but not least will be the limited supply and low competition environment if you find the right exit timing. The timeline is really to your favor for Springleaf residents because in year 2022 to 2024, Lentor experienced 6 launches. 2026 will likely see the mixed development of Springleaf Parcel A being launched, and by then you'll be seeing a slight paper gain of $100 to $200 per square foot most likely, and 2026 to 2028 you start to see the Lentor and Woodlands projects, about 7 of them, start to complete and enter the resale. That is when you start to see stacking of the resale transaction pushing up the accepted resale pricing, and in 2029 when most of the supply in Woodlands and Lentor has been cleared from the resale market, that is when Springleaf enter into the new benchmark resale pricing at the price that you are trying to look at.